In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade Forex on Moomoo on Moomoo. Firstly, before trading Forex, you must have a Moomoo 5G universal account. Search for currency pair like Euro/USDT in the search bar, then go to the quotes page for that currency pair. Tap the trade button in the bottom left corner of your interface to open a Forex account. Currently, you can transfer funds via cash transfer. Open the Moomoo app and navigate to Accounts, Transfers, Cash Transfer, Moomoo Singapore Cash Transfer. Select USD as the currency and choose Forex account as the destination. The funds will be transferred in real time with no server fees. There are two types of orders: opening a position like buy or sell currency pairs, or closing a position. Go to the quotes page, tap open, then enter the order details like amount, leverage and order type, then confirm and place the order. Go to the quotes page of the currency pair, tap close in the bottom left corner to close a position. And you're all set to trade Forex on Moomoo. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.